Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile 10-drawer dresser, a perfect addition to any bedroom, living room, closet, or hallway. This dresser offers spacious storage with its 10 collapsible drawers in 3 different sizes, ideal for organizing everything from clothes and shoes to toys and jewelry, keeping your space immaculate. Unique to this dresser are the upgraded side pockets and hooks, providing extra storage for shoes, magazines, and accessories, while the hooks are perfect for hanging umbrellas, bags, and hats. Built with a sturdy steel frame, a wooden top, and high-grade non-woven fabric, this dresser ensures structural stability with adjustable feet and anti-tip accessories, all while featuring premium cationic material that is harder, smoother, and more resistant to wrinkling and mildew. The stylish YaFiti tower chest of drawers comes in 5 colors, making it a versatile fit for any room decor, with a wooden tabletop that can hold lamps, vases, or other decorative items. Plus, the easy assembly process, complete with clear instructions and numbered parts, means you can have this dresser ready in less than 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.